We are well into 2025 and AI is still continuing to surprise us in the cryptocurrency market, invading every coin that we see. But today we're going to be talking about Wall Street Ponke because this is one of the first meme coins to actually introduce AI in a very useful, utility-driven way. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this pre-sale. So this is Wall Street Ponke, or W Ponke if you're looking at the ticker. We can see here that these guys have raised over $300,000 in a matter of days, and they're well on their way to their $1 million target for this stage of the pre-sale. Now, this is super early doors, but they've already raised a massive amount, so the utility behind this token is actually something that can be marveled at, particularly in the meme coin space. And another bit of security here, guys, we can see that this widget is actually powered by Web3 payments, which is a massive payment processor in the pre-sale space, making this completely safe and good to go when it comes to purchasing on the site. So that is W Ponke. Definitely check it out in the description. Now, if we look at the tokenomics here, we can see that the pre-sale is going to have 35%, project development 10%, exchange liquidity to keep the price stable, we can see is 15%. We've got marketing budget at 25% and a 15% staking rewards here as well. So definitely pretty good tokenomics across the board with lots going to the community. So we're going to dive into the utility in a minute here, but what's worth noting is the fact that these guys are featured in a bunch of different major news outlets when it comes to crypto. So there's already a lot of eyes on this project. Now, if we're talking about security, we can actually see these guys have passed their audit with flying colors, showing that yes, there are no high risk, medium, low, or informational risks involved with this project at all. This is a huge criteria tick box. But what does the project actually do? Well, if we're looking at this on a base level, we could probably just read this and see. We can see that it's an AI-driven detection system designed to enhance security and transparency within the crypto market. So basically, they're going to have an auditing system driven by AI that can track tokens and wallets and really just warn the user whether that wallet is safe or not. So this is actually solving a big problem in the space, and it's definitely what the space needs, and it's a great use for AI. Now, if we go to their white paper, we can look a little bit more at the utility here. So we've got the platform detector, which is essentially what we just talked about. It's going to detect corrupt developers and tokens on the blockchain. It's then going to flag the high-risk projects to protect traders and investors from scams and rug pulls. And it uses advanced analytics for real-time risk detection. As well as that, they're using AI to enhance privacy with the layer 2. They're having a developer-focused ecosystem, which will basically allow for developers to be more accountable and transparent, which is what the space needs, and really brings that focus back to the backbone of the ecosystem, which is what's being built. Then we've got the fourth point here, which is community engagement. You wouldn't have a meme coin without a community, so this is a massive pillar when it comes to a project like this, and having that AI helping them with trading tools and stuff like this, as well as education, this is going to be something that I consider to be a massive project in terms of potential. But the two main points of this utility is the trading platform on Wall Street Ponke and the e-learning platform, which will basically act as a robust educational hub, teaching traders how to access courses, signals, and community-driven content all about the markets. So this is going to enhance their trading strategies, their understanding of blockchain tech so they know which projects to invest in, and their risk management as well here. Now, in terms of ROI here, guys, we can see that one Ponke is currently 0.00261 in terms of buying one. But that is actually going to go up over time the longer this pre-sale goes on. So getting that first mover advantage before all of the whales and the big boys come in is going to be very essential for a project like this. So getting involved now could net you 10 to 20x from now to the token generation event, which could be a massive win on your portfolio. If we head over to their X here, we can see they're boasting they're going to be doing AI trading signals, and it's not just going to be following the market, it's going to be moving with precision, strategy, and confidence. And that's a pretty decent sales pitch here. And one thing I will just take note of, guys, when you do have high quality graphics like this on a project, it can be something that leads to massive community engagement, and that can benefit the project as a whole, because that just improves the virality of the whole thing. Now, this post is about the scam detection system. So it's saying you're not just investing, you're staying ahead, protected, and fully aware. So the copywriting, I think, is fantastic quality here for Wall Street Ponke on their socials, and we are seeing the art come through really, really nicely too. Now, I'd highly recommend checking this out in the description, because next we're going to go over how to buy this thing. So you can go ahead and do this with me right now. But the way you buy this is going to be very, very simple. Just like any other pre-sale here, guys, all we got to do is select buy with a card, which would basically be a fiat MasterCard or something like this, right? Or buy with crypto. If you select buy with crypto, you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet or your other wallet, and then you're going to type in how much to buy with. And then once you're happy with the amount, you basically just pressed buy, and you'll be good to go from that point. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned yet, guys, which is a complete bonus, because we do have good utility, we have a good amount raised so far, the art is fantastic, the socials are fantastic, but if we are looking at the staking, we can see an unprecedented 1,200% in terms of APY, which is ridiculous in terms of profit for staking. So getting involved with this earlier is going to provide you more rewards, because this will actually go down over time the more people that flock towards this project. So definitely consider staking this, because they are on a long-term roadmap here for the staking, where basically, yes, over 2 years, you'll be able to earn these big, big rewards if you stake now. So that is W Ponke or Wall Street Ponke. Definitely check it out in the description, because these guys are doing a lot that's fantastic with AI, and overall the project looks like it could be a massive winner. So definitely check it out in the description. That's going to be it from me. I'll see you in the next video.